Have you ever wondered how soap performs its cleaning magic? Today we're diving into the fascinating world of soap science. Let's uncover the incredible molecular dance that happens every time you wash your hands. Imagine soap molecules as tiny superheroes with special powers. Each molecule has two different ends, one that loves water, called hydrophilic, and one that absolutely hates it, called hydrophobic. This unique structure is what makes soap amazing at cleaning. When you're just using water to clean something dirty, it doesn't work very well. That's because most dirt and oils are hydrophobic. They refuse to mix with water. This is where our molecular superheroes come to the rescue. When soap meets water, something incredible happens. The hydrophobic ends of soap molecules desperately try to escape from the water, while the hydrophilic ends eagerly embrace it. As millions of soap molecules move around, they form special structures called micelles. Picture these as tiny bubbles with all the water-hating ends pointing inward and the water-loving ends pointing outward. Now here's where it gets really exciting. When these soap micelles encounter dirt and oil, the hydrophobic ends are instantly attracted to the dirt particles. They surround the dirt, creating a secure bubble around it. The water-loving ends of the soap molecules face outward, making the entire structure water-soluble. This means the trapped dirt can now be easily washed away with water. But soap doesn't stop there. It also reduces water's surface tension, allowing it to spread out and wet surfaces more effectively. This helps it get into all the tiny nooks and crannies where dirt might be hiding. Think about when you're washing a greasy pan. Without soap, the water just beads up on the surface, unable to break through the oil. But add some soap, and suddenly the water can penetrate and lift away all that grease. The soap molecules work together like a well-coordinated cleaning crew. Some molecules lift the dirt, others break down oils, and they all cooperate to suspend the dirty particles in the water so they can be rinsed away. This is why it's so important to rinse thoroughly after washing. You're literally washing away countless micelles, each carrying away the dirt they've captured. Understanding how soap works isn't just fascinating science, it helps us appreciate why proper washing technique is so important. When you're washing your hands, you need to give the soap enough time to form these micelles and trap all the dirt and germs. That's why doctors recommend washing for at least 20 seconds. The next time you wash your hands, remember, you're not just using soap. You're orchestrating an elaborate molecular performance where millions of tiny superheroes work together to keep you clean. It's amazing how something we use every day contains such incredible science. From ancient civilizations to modern times, soap has been one of humanity's greatest inventions, and now you know exactly why it works so well.